Well, we want to work on this plan today. I have a very good feeling about it. A very simple and special work. I decided to use mesquite wood because I like its color spectrum and I think it has a cool color on this work. You can watch the method of cutting the inner part of the wood in the previous videos of my channel. In this work, the parts that we call valleys are the parts that have shadows and must be carved and moved down. We call the parts that have no shadow the tip of the peak and the edges that are rounded. Now we start to see what happens. I want to use this drill, a deep load drill. Its 90-degree edge allows us to cut the valley parts very well. Now we want to deepen the parts we have marked with the load drill with a narrower and longer drill. In fact, we want to create deeper valleys. Well, in this section, we want to make it a little more clean and round the edges. For this reason, we use a deep bore drill, but with this model, so that we can round the edges more easily. Well, now that it's in shape, we're going to clean it up a bit more using the sandpaper attached to the miniature hole and actually finish the surface. Cleaning these seams is very important when we do the finishing touches. Drills that perform surface loading usually have small teeth and are closer together, and the distance between them is less. I want to start with 150 sandpaper and continue up to 320, but you can continue up to 3000 to make the effect more shiny. I sanded it to 320 and now I want to drill a part of it and put some of these screws in it, which will actually be the place where the necklace strap goes through. Now we have to make a hole, because if we want to do it without a hole, it might cause the wood to crack. I hope it was useful for you. Please don't forget to support me by liking and subscribing.